right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here in the DC office with Natural Transplants, and today we have the well-dressed Kizzy. You're looking stylish today, coming in from New York City. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for sharing your story with everybody. I know this helped you when you were looking around, and you said you want to give back and pay it forward to other people. But let everybody know first of all, how'd you find us and what brings you today?
Okay, so I found you guys through these same videos on YouTube.
Okay.
That's where I started, and then I went all the way online, did my research, and I reached out to the office.
The rabbit hole,
Yep. Did the consultation and everything via phone, which is very convenient because I'm coming all the way from New York, so being able to do the consult on the phone is very helpful. But I am here to get more edges.
Now, we talked, you're okay with the very front. So the very, very front edge, we're actually not going to reinforce the very, very front edge.
Yeah, so it's going to be behind the edges. That's where I'm looking to get most of the work
right in between those two. And then we're going to also go up in the corner up in here, the little corners up in the slot. But you're actually happy with the very, very front.
Yes,
you don't want any work done there. And that's totally fine. I think it looks really natural on you. Yep. Great. I'm excited. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for showing everybody. Real quick, why'd you choose us? I mean, there's tons of people out there. What sort of brought you to us?
Natural hair. I wanted someone that is specialized with my type of hair. Like most of the clinics that I've seen, they've done like straight hairs, and I'm not like, I haven't seen a lot of natural hair, like black natural hair online. So this was the first office that I seen it, and that's why I decided to do the right place. Transplant.
Can't wait. We're gonna take good care of you. We'll draw it all out, do a little bit of shaving, all the prep stuff, and then we'll come visit you again in just a few minutes. Okay. All right. Great. Okay, we are back with Kizzy. We have drawn out the line. Again, she was happy with the center part, so we're not going to be doing any of the center. But we went just behind the very, very front hairline and up in the corners on both sides. So that's what we're doing today. We got a little Valium on board. How you feeling?
Still feeling nervous.
She never felt her bare scalp before, so she was freaking out a little bit.
It feels so weird and strange.
We'll go get started. We'll check in with you a little later, okay?
I don't know if the laughing gas is even helping you or not.
I don't know if it is.
You're such a giggly person.
All right, we have finished, Kizzy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So be honest with everybody. How did today go? Give us the good and the bad.
I think I was more nervous than I actually needed to be. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Yeah. I couldn't feel anything. My head felt like a helmet. So it went pretty smooth.
Good. That's what everybody says. It's hard to convince someone that ahead of time, but almost everybody says it really wasn't.
Yeah. It was not that bad, honestly.
Good. Awesome.
Really feel anything.
I am going to just zoom in here and just show the awesome work that we did. Looks fantastic. And on the other side, I'm really happy with the way it came out. I love it. So thank you for doing this. Congratulations. Welcome to the family. Any words of advice to anybody out there that you were looking since like 2018 or something? So you were really stalking us for a really long time. What would you tell someone that's been stalking us for 5 years?
Do your due diligence.
Good.
Research, and if you want to do it, I would say go ahead and do it because it may be the best decision that you ever made. So I'm super happy that I finally got it done.
Awesome. Love it.
Yeah.
Well, we're happy we can be part of your journey. Hopefully we'll keep tabs on you, see in a year, see the transformation. And like I said, thanks for doing this and welcome to the family.
Thank you.
All right. See you later.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.